Hi readers, welcome to Read to Me Miss D, where every page opens a new adventure. I'm Miss D and I'm so excited that you're here today for another story time. We are going to be reading Under the Sea, Pop and Play. I get so excited when we're going to read a story together, and this is a special one because it's a pop-up book. But before we open today's pages, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, Read to Me Miss D, and ring the bell so you never miss a new read aloud. Are you ready? Let's read together. Okay, get ready. This is exciting. These pages are pretty big. Oh, look at that pop-up book. I'm gonna flip to this side. Ready? The dolphins play in the waves. Where is the boat? Did you see a boat? Okay, we're gonna do the pop-up page again. Ready? Here we go. Oh, this is exciting. This book has been read a lot by my grandsons. The octopus has 8 legs. And this used to have 8, but we have only 2 left, so 6 are gone. But let's count the fish. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see it? 6 and 7. There are 7 fish. That's exciting. Ready? Oh, ready? Look at the fish on the coral reef. What colors are they? Let's take a look. What do we have? I think that is purple. Is that blue? And a red one, a green one, and this has got a lot of different colors. Oh, so pretty. You can see other colors too, red and white. So many different colors. Oh, how fun. Ready? Here we go. Look at blue whales are the biggest animals. Count the birds. We'll count the birds on both pages. Ready? 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, very good, 5, I'm going to come over to this page, oh, I think I see one, 6, you see another one, 7, good job, all right, ready, here we go again, seals, sharks, and fish are exploring the shipwreck. And then look at, I think I see like a seal. Do you see one? I do. It's kind of hidden in a shadow, but it's over there. So this is our pop-up book. Under the Sea. And I am so glad that you read it with me. We have an octopus and dolphins. Here's a treasure and a ship. And we have a couple of our friends that are going to go dive. There's all kinds of things under the sea. I really hope that you had so much fun. And that's our story for today. So I will see you next time on Read to Me Miss D, where every book we read is an adventure. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Read to Me Miss D, and ring the bell so you don't miss a new read aloud. Thank you so much. Bye-bye from Miss D.